Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ubay from Modern Al Salama Polyclinic, Mobile. Today I am here to talk about dengue fever. This is Aedes mosquito. This is also known as the tiger mosquito. Why? Because it has got a black body and white stripes on it. Dengue fever is caused by a virus called as dengue virus, and this virus is transmitted to humans by the bite of this mosquito. After being bitten by this mosquito, a person develops symptoms of dengue fever within 3 to 6 days. And the symptoms include fever, vomiting, body pain, headache, etc. More complicated form of dengue fever symptoms include bleeding into the mouth, there will be rashes all over the body and can even lead to death of the patient. We don't have any drug which can cure dengue fever right now. But as soon as someone gets the above mentioned symptoms, that patient has to consult a doctor. After getting diagnosed, that patient will be treated with proper hydration, rest, and if required, platelet transfusion will also be given. Dengue fever is a preventable disease. We can prevent it by using mosquito repellent creams. We can use full sleeve dresses. We can use bed nets. We can use screens for windows and doors of our household so that mosquito does not enter the house and bite you, thereby preventing dengue fever. If you found this information useful, kindly help us to reach others by sharing this video. Thank you very much. Stay